Hey everyone, I want to give you a quick little tour of my latest ornament called Up Up and Away. As you can see, it's a little hot air balloon in rainbow colors, and it's got a really fun construction. It's sort of light and airy. It's got these spaces in between the sections of the balloon and has embroidery and this cute little basket that hangs from the bottom and a cute little cloud that hangs at the top. So in this class, we'll start off by doing the embroidery on the different little sections, and they have a little applique as well. And then we'll construct those and build in this curve that they have. And then we'll bring them together down at the bottom here with this band. And then we're going to create this little basket which hangs with baker's twine from the bottom and add the hanger loop at the top with this puffy little balloon or puffy little cloud that's outlined in blanket stitch. So it looks a little complicated, but it's really just one step at a time. Each step is simple to do, and I am going to be there every step of the way. So I hope you enjoy this class, and I can't wait to see what you make.